Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta game crashing, not loading, lagging, not launching or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit. Finally, restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings and choose device and connections and click on Blu-ray. Now select persistent storage and finally select clear persistent storage. After this step, check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, then select settings, then choose network settings. Then click on test network connection, then wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. Next method is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to check for Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs and other issues to improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available and after that try to launch the game and see if you can play it. Next method is to clear cache of the game. For that, first press Xbox guide, then click on My Games and Apps, then tap on See All. Here search for Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta game, then press Menu, then choose Manage Game and Add-ons. Then tap on Save Data, then click on Reserved Space, and finally tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account, then click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select Remove option. After that, add the account again. Next method is to check for Xbox updates. Make sure your Xbox console is updated to the latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, then choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click it to begin the updating process. Next method is to check storage. So for that, first press Xbox button, then go to Profile and System. Then click on Settings, then click on System, then click on Storage option. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or games to create space, and after that try to launch the game and see if you can play it. If not, next solution is to reinstall Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta. So for that, first press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps, then select See All option. Here select Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta, then press Menu button, then select Uninstall. After the game is removed, open Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta official website or from wherever you want to download, and after that download the game, and once downloaded, now try to play it and see if the issue is resolved. If not, the final solution is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Just go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can also raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide you what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.